Andhra Pradesh, Hyderabad. Now, actually, I want to tell how actually we got this idea. We, the students, experiencing the heavy loads, which we could not escape, but simply suffer, thinking that carrying this much is nothing but just a hell.
Perfect.
Also, we thought that if we
I
can
agree.
bring a small change, we all the staff, we sat together and involved in splitting the books into 3 terms. Here you can see the pictures. They're not even able to lift the bag. It's more than 10 kgs. We all sat together and dividing the books into 3 terms. Quarterly 1 term, half yearly and annual. So that the book weight will be reduced. And we have met several government officials like doctors, teachers, parents, special officer, etc. Here you can see the pictures. We met everyone. We got a lot of information from them. Some of them suggested animals should be loaded 1/10th of their body weight. But the children are weighing more than 1/10th of their body weight. So, this load should be reduced. And he said that by using ebook reader, we can totally reduce the loads of bags. Ebook reader is nothing but just a laptop with a screen touch where we can see each and every subject. But we can totally reduce the loads of bags. Yes. We should write classwork and homework in only 1 book so that there is no need to carry 2 books. And water facilities should be provided in the school premises so that there is no need to carry water bottles.
These are the 3 graphs which we have prepared according to our estimations and results. So, as you can see here, the first, the second and the third. As you can see here, this shows weight of the children's bag before and after the implementation of the project. So, we have taken a 1 to 5th classes for the implementation of this project. At the initial point, that is before the implementation of the project, it was found to be about 7.73 kgs, and after the implementation, it reduced to about 3.77 kgs.
After dividing, here we are easily able to lift the bag so high.
Anyway.
50% it is totally reduced. And this we have represented in the 3 graphs. You can see. And last picture, the happiness of the children. They are easily able to lift their bags up. And we have sent this to the state government, and they are also implementing this project coming year in all the in our state.